opinions on chicken poop. They are not good because they go stuck on a bomber chute and they smell like dookie.
And they smell like banana snot.
And it also smells like your feet earlier.
Yeah. They were really yucky because I had no socks on. My boots. Now they smell really yum because I washed them. Ah, yummy, yummy. You know I just washed them. You know that. That's I got pajamas on. I have pajamas on that.
Now we're going to talk about our opinion on snakes. I do not like snakes because some are venomous and they are nasty.
And some are camouflage. And we've touched a tree and there's a camouflage tree, but we had to go to the hospital